This is Sarah Pop and those art hands. Here's the cat we're going to make today. You're going to get a blue piece of paper. You're going to get a yellow piece of paper like this. First step is to cut out all the triangles. Once you've cut them out, then you're going to start putting them together on your paper, trying to put them like our sample. So you need to lay them out, and then we'll see about gluing them once you've gotten them laid out. Lay it out like this. Okay. Now, before we glue that on, I really want you to draw the grass or the ground down here. I'm going to draw mine brown. You can draw it green or brown. And I'm going to take my crayon and I'm going to rub. Just rub across it like that. Okay, now I'm going to glue my cat on. Remember, I had the pieces laid out before I started actually gluing because I wanted to make sure I was doing it right. Okay. Oh, you know what? I need to scoot these over, don't I? So it'll look more like ears there. Okay. Then I'm going to take my black crayon and I'm going to make some triangles in here. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking that maybe you should make the triangles before you glue this down, because you all tend to put a lot of glue on there. And it's almost a little bit hard for me to draw it with glue that I put on there. So I'm thinking we need to draw the triangles first. We're going to lay it out the way it should go, and then you're going to draw the triangles. Okay, we want a few in our tail. Then after you draw the triangles, then you'll glue them down. Want a couple up here on his head. Do a little bit on the ears. And you can get fancier if you want. You can get fancier. I want to draw him some whiskers. Okay, now the sample is a little bit fancier than what I did there, but you can change some of that out if you would like. So this is what it looks like, and this is Sarah Bob and those art hens. You have a great time now.